Hey guys, this is Herman here, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the features of the WP SEO Ninja. I'm not going to show you any of the settings, and I'm not going to get into the details of the settings. I'm just going to show you the features of the WP SEO Ninja. So once you install the WP SEO Ninja, you will see it on the extreme left over here, and you will see the different options under the WP SEO Ninja. The first one is the Ninja Optimizer, where we have the settings page. I'm not going to get into the details of this. Let's show you what the Ninja Optimizer does. And once I go to the all post section, let me go to one of the posts, and if you see a widget on the extreme right here, these are optimization criterias that will help you optimize your content here for the search engine, and it guides you and tells you exactly what you need to do to optimize your content. It gives you an SEO score and a keyword density score. It also tells you if your text is readable. If you want to optimize your content for more than one keyword, you can use the secondary keyword feature, fill in the details over here, add it, and you will get your SEO score and keyword density score based on that particular keyword. Then we have the site SEO score, where you can fill in your primary keyword and fill in all the other details like title tag, meta description, and meta keyword. It gives you a snippet preview, and we also have an advanced tab where we have the robots meta tag, canonical URL, 301 redirect, and a social tab where you can fill in your Facebook description or Google +1 description. Lastly, we have the video SEO tab where you fill in your video details and you see a snippet preview of your video thumbnail, and this is how it will show up in the search engines. This video SEO feature is pretty powerful, and I have ranked a couple of my videos using the video SEO feature in Google, linking back to my specific post, and I'm going to show you an example for the same. The next feature in the WP SEO Ninja is rank checker. What the rank checker does is it tracks all the incoming keywords to any specific page or post on your site. It tells you which search engine is the referrer. It tells you the rank of that keyword, the number of visits you have got from that particular keyword, if you have increased or decreased in rankings, to which URL the traffic has come to, the page rank of that particular page, and when it was last updated. So this is pretty handy information right off the bat, and you know exactly what keywords are getting you traffic. Now if you go ahead and click one of the keywords, it also gives you a graphical representation of how that keyword is performing for the last 7 days, 15 days, or even the last 30 days. Now you can download this information, you can reset the data if you like. If you download this information, you can probably present it to your clients if you're using this on your client site. You can use this option for Google and Bing as well. You can put in your Bing API or click here to get your Bing API, and I've covered all the other settings in the tutorial videos. The next one is the auto tagger. Now this again is the settings page of the auto tagger, and you'll see popular search term, recent search terms, and popular home search terms. Now what this part of the plugin does is it auto tags your content with all the incoming searches, and you see all the incoming searches for this particular post. Weight Watchers taco soup is right over here, and it optimizes this page for these particular keywords. So if I go ahead and do a search for this keyword in the search engines, I should be there on the first page of Google. And you see over here Weight Watchers taco soup recipe. In fact, you see a video thumbnail which was done by the video SEO part of the WP SEO Ninja 2.0. And this links back to my site and not YouTube or any other video site. That's what the auto tagger does. It auto tags your content with all the incoming searches. You need to do this correct. Do not overdo this. Do not have more than 10 keywords over here. I've used this feature for a year and a half and never had a problem or got penalized by Google. So this is a pretty cool feature to use. The next one is the auto syndicator, and what the auto syndicator does is it submits your content to 7 different Web 2.0 properties on complete autopilot, sending you backlinks to your pages or posts, and also it helps you index your content. Again, I've covered in detail how you get this set up and how you can auto syndicate your content with a click of a button. The next we have is a manual syndicator. If you do not want to use the auto syndicator, all you need to do is go to any specific post and click syndicate post, and your content will be submitted to these different Web 2.0 properties with a one-way backlink to that specific post. Then we move on to Google authorship. Under Google authorship, we have again the settings page where I've covered in detail in the tutorial section what you need to do. But what this part of the plugin does is it approves you as an author in Google's eyes, and this is what happens once you become a Google author. So if you can see, there is a small little image. This is a pen name for this particular project, Sandra Brown, and I've become an approved author, and that's why this image is showing up in the search engines next to my search results, and that's what the Google authorship part of the plugin does. It approves you as a Google author, and this happens with the click of a few buttons. It's pretty simple to do, and once you do that, you can see your picture over here next to your search listings. The Google authorship also puts in an author box, at the end of each of the posts. And if you do not want this, you have other options as well. Then we move on to activity log. The activity log basically tracks all the information of the WP SEO Ninja, and you can get all the details. On the top over here, we also have different settings. If you want to remove the WP SEO Ninja link from your footer, you can keep this clicked. If you want to remove the WP SEO Ninja links from your sitemaps, again, just let this be as it is. And if you want to include powered by WP SEO Ninja, you can just put in your affiliate link, click save changes, and it will show a small little link at the end of your blog which says powered by WP SEO Ninja, and that will have your affiliate link. So if anyone clicks that link and gets the WP SEO Ninja, you will be paid commission for the same. The next part is the WP SEO Ninja sitemaps. We have the HTML, XML, image and video sitemap. Again, this is the settings page for the different sitemaps, the settings page for XML sitemaps. Then we have the settings page for the image sitemaps and the settings page for the video sitemaps. I'm not going to go into the details of this, but let me show you how these sitemaps look. And this is the HTML sitemap. So this basically will help your visitors know where your content is, and it'll list down the content in a proper way. Again, there are different settings and you can set it accordingly of how you want your pages and posts to show up. Then we have the XML sitemaps. This is for the search engines, and we have the image sitemaps. Again, this is for the search engines. This will help your images rank in the search engines as well, so you can get some traffic. And lastly, we have the video sitemap. This is very important when it comes to video SEO. Along with the video SEO feature in Ninja Optimizer, video sitemaps plays a very important role in getting your videos listed in Google. And these are the different features of the WP SEO Ninja. This is definitely the best 6-in-1 SEO plugin online. I hope you can get this plugin at this discounted price and you can enjoy the features that are there in the WP SEO Ninja and see amazing rankings. Thank you.